Hey guys, so welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can access the Alpha versus Omega challenge on Valorant if you're not able to do that from the game. Just go to the website ftw.riotgames.com and log in using your Riot account, obviously. This is just the homepage. You're just going to go to Challenges, Valorant. You're then going to scroll down and you'll be able to see this, which you can click, and then you'll be able to access this page. So you don't have to access it via the app. You can just go to this website. I will put the link in the description box down below, so you can just click on it. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.